Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare unripe plantain porridge with smoked fish and chicken gizzard. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video. See, I have my unripe plantain already opening. I'm done opening my plantain. I've cut it to the size I want. You can also cut it to the size you need. So my plantain prepared to cook. You have to cook it, make sure it's very soft. I'm done cooking it, so I have to add my palm oil and stir it very well. Add my seasoning cube. With my blended crayfish and my smoked fish. With my chicken gizzard. Added my onions and pepper with my pepper soup spice. So I have to stir it very well and cover it. My porridge plantain is ready to eat. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.